What if turning an idea into a video was just one click away? Introducing Vidu.com. Create videos from your imagination. No cameras, no limits. First, we've got reference to video, where you can generate with multi-reference consistency. I'm going to upload 4 images to guide the video generation. You can upload up to 7 images if you want, depending on how much visual variety or direction you'd like to give the model. These visuals include dynamic scenes of running and motion. I'm also using the new Q1 model, which delivers much cleaner visuals, smoother motion. I'm also enabling Pro Mode, which is part of Vidu's latest update. It enhances the overall quality by generating more refined visuals, reducing noise, and producing smoother, more realistic motion. With this setup, Vidu will generate a video that follows the style, mood, and flow of the images while keeping the quality sharp and cinematic. Here's the final result. You can download it, scale it, or share it directly from here. Here are a few more videos that were created using the same feature. Vidu's reference to video is truly revolutionizing AI video generation. Just imagine the possibilities it opens up for advertising and film production. With different references, you can create anything out of any object. Now, let's check out the image to video section. Click here to upload your image. Write a prompt describing how you want it to be transformed into a video. Choose a model, then click Create. Here's the final results. That's very impressive. Now, let's explore the text-to-video feature. Just write your prompt right here. Choose a model. Vidu Q1 is the best. Then click Create. Wait a few seconds. And here are the final results. Amazing, don't you think? Let's check out the AI sound effect feature. Just type in what you want to hear. Click Create and let the magic happen. In just a few seconds, your custom sound is ready. That's Vidu.com, turning your ideas into stunning videos with just a few clicks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.